to Pastor Bejide. I just wanted to find out the impact of climate change on Nigeria's flooding crisis and, how Nigeria can adapt to this situation.
Okay. The impact of climate change to flooding has been, in Nigeria and all over the world, devastating. That's why I say that the whole world, they are taking the impact of climate change very serious. Very soon, less than a month or so, there will be a global meeting again on environment summit. And
COP29?
Yes, with the issue of climate change. But back home now, it came to Nigeria because everything boils down with each other's country. In Nigeria, what I want to say also here, when we started, she also tried to note that we have been saying, that is personally for me and for most people have been concerned and wondering why it's such. Say prevention is better than cure. The interplay, the sectoral agency interplays that NIMET deals with the environments and bring it down to NISA. NISA, the information, we translate it into what? Into flood forecasting and things like that, and preventive measures. Then NEMA comes in to respond. Then, okay, if the end is to mitigate, I believe strongly that emphasis should have been placed on prevention. Prevention, that is where the issue, and that's what she raised at the beginning. And it will be worth noting that the Nigeria as a nation seems not to pay emphasis to that, although they do say prevention is better than cure. But NISA prevents. But the institution that prevents, if it's not well funded, then what are we saying? And the institution that is, that cures is well funded. Like I said.
So NISA is not well funded?
Yes. What I'm saying here is that, of course, the money given to NEMA judiciously, I follow them, we are partners. Yes, not even enough still to do it, but if such money also, or half of such money have been channeled to an organ that prevents, like now, according to WMO standard, that is World Meteorological Organization, a nation should have about 430 hydrometric stations to measure. NISA have less than 100. Less than 100. When we come to funding, I think NEMA is in excess of tens of billions, where NISA is not even up to $500 million. So you can understand this disparity and things like that. And I also understand, and that's why we are doing all this advocacy. In National Assembly, the new DG now, Architect Umaru Ibrahim Mohammed, engaging the National Assembly, the lawmakers and the executive also to look at the importance NISA plays so that we can increase the funding of NISA. So this has been a major issue, critical. NEMA works with our prediction. The state governments also work on our prediction. And if we are not well funded, we don't give accurate predictions, where do we start?
So it's clear to see why we are, as a nation, reactive.
Yes.
Well, maybe because they expect NISA to also pray. In
also what?
You've told us what you do. You said the notation, instrumentation, whatever, sensitization, and that you are a pastor. So maybe you should pray instead of asking for more money.
Exactly. That is the national, everybody say Nigerian praise, whether in the Muslim faith, Christian faith, exactly. But we also know that faith without works.
I think your